Alright, what we got is we're going to fill the bottom of it up. Hopefully we can get this water pushed out of here. Fill the bottom up, get it flush with our tile, and then we'll move over to our head wall.
Where you at, Travis?
I'm ready, bring it on.
We put a little more on the other side, but it's alright.
It's alright right there for now. Alright, I'll get back to you. You improvise. This works good to help vibrate the concrete down. Fits in the back of that trailer.
That's when you want on this.
I'll get it knocked down, then I'll go back and get it. Just knocked rocks in it.
And that concrete over here.
Hold on.
There's about like I am, cockeyed.
What do you think? That enough?
It'll settle. That's good there. It'll settle, but it won't be no big deal. You want me to vibrate that cider over there before you move? Yeah, vibrate.
Hold on just a second. Walt, watch this concrete when I hit this on it. Look it move. We hope that helps with honeycomb. Where is it? I'll get it.
like you've already been down there swimming with it. Yeah. More water? Yeah, you know it.
On your knees in there needs gravel.
Give me a back.
Well, we got the pond overflow and the head wall poured. I will tell you, if you ever have any concrete poured and you complain about how much they charge you, I wouldn't do that. That is manual labor, it's work, and obviously if you do something every day, you get better at it, but it's a chore. But I'm pretty pleased that our forms held and nothing blew out. Let it sit here for 2 or 3 days, and I run the reciprocating saw around my forms as I was pouring it to try to keep it from honeycombing. But what I'll do is, once I take the forms off, I'm sure I'll have some, so I'll take a Portland cement mixture and I'll go back, and it kind of set up on us as it started setting. I've tried to pour it dry so it wouldn't drier, so it wouldn't blow out on me as bad. But anyway, the top's got a little dry, so I'll come back and take a Portland cement mix and go in there and I'll fill those little cavities and paint it and kind of put a silver coat on it to make it prettier. This one over here is a little rougher around the top, but nothing that I can't come back and slick up. The main objective, I've got a concrete column and a concrete wall, and I think with the steel and everything's in it, I don't think it's going to go anywhere. So I'll get the forms off, pretty it up, and I think it'll serve the purpose. I did put a 2-inch pipe in just below the water level. That'll be for me and my boy to experiment with a ram pump. We'll put a screen on this end and be able to tie fitting and run us a pipe through the culvert and take a ram pump down the creek, and that should give us about 5 or 6 foot of fall from here down there, so we can experiment with that once the pond fills up. But anyway, if you've watched, I appreciate it, and we'll be back with some more projects. We've got to get the forms off and get our dozer guys back up here. It's time to start digging this rest of this hole out, and looks like by the amount of dirt I've got over there on the hill, I'm getting ready to get into the topsoil business because I'm gonna have a bunch to get rid of. Appreciate you watching. Catch you later.